in this makeup look, I'm using the Kylie Jenner Zero Money Baby palette. It's a nice palette of pinks and nudes and greens and bronzes. Really is a nice palette. A couple of the colors are hit and miss, and I'll talk about those in the actual tutorial. It does have some really nice colors in here as well. It's dramatic, I'll say that, very dramatic. But you can definitely tone the colors down if it's too much for you, but stay tuned for the look. So as mentioned, I'm using the Kylie Jenner Zero Money Baby palette. And it's this nice palette of gorgeous pinks, golds, bronzes. Also, you may hear a little bit of background noise. It's my fan. It's about to die. It's so hot. And I have the AC on, and it's like, you know how when you move around so much? If you're in the South, you get it. Like, if you move around so much, I mean, the air takes forever. It's like, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna take my primer first. This is my first time using these. I've seen these all over Instagram. These are the P. Louise bases. I'm taking the one in, well, Blank Canvas obviously, and this is number 1 because I want these colors to really pop, and I really hope this works. But judging from pictures I've seen on Instagram, they work really well. And take a little bit because I'm not used to these at all. Whoop, that might be a little too much. I'm spreading it over the entire eye, top and bottom. Now that I look sick around the eyes, gotta move on with my first color. I can already tell this base is amazing by the way to apply it. And I did notice also with those, they dry really quickly, so you have to move quickly so it doesn't set into the skin before you apply your color. I did not plan this look, as always, but I think I'm gonna work with pretty much all the colors. First, I'm gonna start with Long Money. That's this color right here. It's a nice matte, like a plum purple or plum pink. Okay, it's too much noise. The noise has gone away. I'm using a Kylie E31 brush. It's kind of stippled a little bit. It looks like a synthetic brush, and it focuses. It could also be used for concealer, but I'm using it for this. Actually, no. I'm gonna take a Coastal Scents BRC S08 or anything kind of stiff, but yet, you know, fluffy a little bit. I'm using this to apply that color in the crease. In case you guys are wondering, this palette also has a mirror, so super convenient for on-the-go looks. So I'm switching this back and forth. Okay, pigmentation come through. Now I'm going to take a Kylie E31, looks like this. I'm going above that, on a budget, this color right here. This color right there. I'm going above that Long Money. It's going to help blend it out and also, you know, add a little more color, but slightly lighter. I'm now going to move on to eyelids using this flat cheek brush from some brush set. It's like medium size, it's not too big, not too small. It's about that size right there. I'm going in, I think I'm going to take Time for Cake. That's this green right here. On the inside, it's super smooth. It's like a nice glitter. So, because it's a glitter, I'm going to extend it into the inner tear duct all the way. Oh, so pretty. I'm gonna flip the brush over, Build Your Empire. This color right here. Right next to that color I just applied. Same brush, I dusted it off. This color takes a bit of work. It's not as pigmented as the matte I just applied. I'll tell you that. And I'm just kind of merging those two together. It's okay. It just takes a little digging into. Okay, next to that I'm taking a matte color because I can't deal with all that shimmer side by side. Out of my comfort zone, I don't really like it on me. So I'm taking Stacks, which is one of my favorite colors. It's khaki or olive green. I don't know who started calling this color khaki, but the khakis I'm used to, the school uniform khakis. Not this, but I've kind of gotten accustomed to it. I'm taking the same brush once again. I dust the color off. Feel free to use different brushes if you'd like. but it's just much easier. Okay, this is pigmented. Apply that right next to that color. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. It looks weird now. But I think I know how to fix it. In between the Build Your Empire and stacks, I'm going to take this color called Goal Setter. It's this pink. I'm going to try and see if that's a little better than the Build Your Empire, because that Build Your Empire is kind of weak and I don't want weak colors. So hopefully this is a little more pigmented than the previous. I'm applying this in between to kind of add a little more intensity. Okay, this is working a lot better. There's something about this I really don't like. I'm gonna try to just get past it though. I'm adding some more stacks. Now, I need to apply some darkness. So, I'm gonna take my BRCS08 brush from Coastal Scents and take the darkest color in the palette called Breaking Records. This one. I'm applying it on my outer V. And crease. Okay, this is adding a lot more depth. I'm applying kind of a lot of this because I don't like all light colors on the lid. But if you wanted a more natural look, sort of, you could keep it, you know, light and not be so dark on the outside. But this will put me back in my comfort zone. I'm gonna stay there. Oh, much better, yes. All I need is a little darkness. I'm taking that Carity brush again, the E31, going back into Work For It, which is that light pink I started with as my buffer shade. I'm taking a little above that dark color, just a little. I'm just merging it together and blending it out. I'm gonna take a little more stacks, which is that khaki green. I'm just really loading that on here. Just want to go back and forth between the colors. For the bottom, I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Alkaline. It's a nice burgundy color. Y'all are probably tired of me using this, but it works really well. I need to sharpen this actually. I'm stopping inside of the inner corner. And I'm also going in my waterline. Gonna go ahead and set it with Breaking Records. We're starting from the other side and then start with this color, Breaking Records. I'm gonna bring that almost in. It's gonna turn it into a dark purple rather than burgundy. Then for the inside, I'm gonna take Birthday Queen. What's this shimmery bronze up here? This one. And just merge it into the other color. I'm gonna take my NYX liquid eyeliner. I think it's just, yeah, jet black. Do the other side. My top mascara, I'm using Pure Fully Charged. I've been using this a lot lately. It's awesome. I'm only applying it to the top lashes until I can get concealer done at the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and get my lashes going. I'm using a Red Cherry 510s. I hate when it sticks to my nose. Like, stop. I'm gonna apply some concealer. This is the ColourPop No Filter. Dark 40. It's gonna serve as a concealer / highlight. Brush I'm using for this is Sedona Lace 312. Bringing down this color a little lower. Now I'm taking that mascara to the bottom. Alright, you get the mascara squared away, you can go ahead and touch up that eyeliner on the top if needed. Just don't like the shine it leaves, the lash glue. Gonna move on to face, and I'm using the NARS Marquise's Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And also zoom y'all out because y'all too close. I'm taking this cheap foundation brush from somewhere. I don't even know. It's like from one of those China sites. Cheap, but they work. And it looks a lot darker, but it just kind of gives me a natural looking tan. And it looks great during the summer. I probably won't use this in the winter, but we'll see. I'm going around my hairline because I still have the lighter hair around the edges from where I got my hair bleached. Put a little extra around my mouth so I have that hyperpigmentation. And I'm blending it in below. For highlighter, I'm taking Faux Tan Radiance from Bare Minerals. Let me quickly look and make sure it's available still. I've been worked there in years, so it's like, I don't know what's still available and what's not. It's still available in a couple of places. I'm just trying to make sure it's available so y'all can get it still if you want it. I'll have a link below. I always do, of everything I've used. So whatever you don't have, you can always get something similar. For this, I'm using a Bare Minerals Light Stroke Fan Brush. This is like ages old. I got it when I worked there. I'm applying a lot of this because y'all know I like my highlighter. Kind of making like an arc. Okay, blend out. If you don't, I'm gonna blend you out with the foundation brush. Okay, so let's do this again. Is that enough? I don't think so. Let's continue. Gorge. For blush, I'm just using Coral Cove powder blush from Milani Cosmetics and an Inglewood face brush from Bare Minerals. For lips, I gotta keep the look dramatic because that's what I want to do today. I've done a lot of neutral stuff, a lot of, calm and collected things, so I'm gonna do something different today. I'm taking one of my favorite lip colors actually. This is the Kylie Matte Liquid Lipstick, Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick in Ironic. And it's an olive green khaki color as well. And surprisingly, it looks pretty decent on me. So I'm kind of happy about that. It's like my favorite lip color, one of them. It's so good that I got a second one as a backup, which I don't normally do. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look with the Kylie Jenner Your Zero Money Baby palette. Gorgeous palette. Don't necessarily have to do it this dramatic as I chose to do it this time to make it a little more fun. Let me know if you want to see another look using this palette. Definitely do one. I'll also have review and swatches on my blog. I'll have a post to that linked in the information box, and as well as another post with pictures of this look also on my blog, and you can check that in the information box as well. Please rate the video, subscribe if you have not, and also turn on your notifications so you know the next time I post. Been kind of busy lately, that's why it's been a little time in between. Little time in between this video and my previous, but I'm working on trying to, get them pre-recorded. Well, the problem isn't having them pre-recorded. The problem is, getting the pictures up and the post written and all of that. I like to always have like that to reference in case people don't have time to watch the video, then they can go look at the post. Either way. Yeah. If you have any other questions, let me know. I will talk to all of you in my next video. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna take, oh god, I don't think this is the right. Right next to it, I'm gonna take, is it focus? I think so.